Welcome if you're new, welcome if you came back, welcome. My name is Friencine. On this channel, we do it all. We are going to talk about a budget reset, a financial situation reset. And in the previous years, I've done like a 3-part series on how to reset your money. If it is still up on the channel, I will link it over here. But today I'm just going to do you don't need to reset all of your life, but you just need minor touch-ups. So this is my reset. I did a cash stuffing and I noticed, whoa, things are not in order, envelopes are not created. Let's actually take a moment, take a breath, and think about what envelopes, what goals do you want? I know for myself that one of the goals is debt freedom, and that is a big overarching goal, and that can be done with minor steps that you do, the little steps that you do to take every day. So what are the little steps that I can do? What areas that I overspend that can help me relieve some money to be debt free? Mind you, here are my credentials, because I know some of you guys are new. I started this journey back in 2020. I worked hard at becoming debt free. I became debt free, got married, debt accrued because wedding. And once you just off the cusp of financial freedom and debt freedom, you don't have that surplus, because I did the extreme route, and whatever I saved, I dumped it into my credit card, and that was it. So now I am 2 years post getting back into debt, and I'm over it. I don't like it here. I didn't like it here. I want to go back to where it was. So this is my way of getting back. Doing cash-based budgeting all over again. So extreme, but you have to do what you have to do to get the results that you want to get. So for cash envelopes, this would be groceries. So G&T, I'm just gonna write G&T, because it's grocery and toiletries. So any necessities that I need at home. Any necessities that I need at home, whether we're down on paper towels, whether we're down on toilet paper, soap, food, like that comes from this cash envelope. This is mainly digital, so I'm not going to make a cash envelope for it. The next one is gas. I want to eventually make gas a credit card purchase. I'm not scared of a card. I'm scared of the debt. So I want to put, because I only use $100 a month for gas. So if I put the $100 on the credit card, and I already have the money for that, that would be positive utilization. But we will get there when I'm at a place where it makes sense. But this is a goal of mine, paying gas on my credit card and paying it back at a proper time. Next is me time. This will also be digital. So 1, 2, and 3 are digital. Eat out. This will be a divider or a cash envelope, because when you see money, this is the area I overspend a lot. When you see money go, you don't want it to go. So therefore you hold on to it a little longer. And also, I'm a mom, and brand recognition has begun. Every time we pass Wendy's, it's French fries, French fries, French fries, mama, French fries. We gotta start teaching, hey, I actually don't have the money right now, but we have French fries at home. I got you once we get home. But like having him see like that money, you have money and then it's gone. And then when it's no more, it's no more. So starting that early, even though I'm starting it with myself as well, restarting, it's gonna help me curb the overspending on food and Uber Eats and Grubhub, and it's a lot of them. It's a lot of them. Now we're moving on to our sinking fund. So cash envelopes are the things you use day to day, what you're consistently going to use during your pay period. And these are the things I consistently use during my pay period. Groceries, because we need to eat. Toiletries, because you need to wipe yourself. Gas, because I need to go to work. Me time, because it's okay to do self-care even while on a debt freedom journey. Eating out, because why would I not have something to eat out? Like some little money for when I don't want to cook. Sinking funds are your funds that you put away little by little to reach a end goal. So what is the end goal you want to reach with your money? So in this case, we have household, car maintenance. So this is car maintenance, or I like to car remix. Couple goals. Travel. Or I believe it's called vacation in my envelope. In my binder. This one is a new one. I am turning 30. Not this year, but the year after. I'm gonna call this Thriving 30s. So this is my end goal, is to save for my 30th birthday, whether that is vacation, whatever vacation we're taking, or event, outing. I want to save that. Holiday. This is old but new. I've dropped holiday a while ago because what am I actually buying for holiday that I can't just put it into a gift and birthday category? But now becoming a mom, I'm like, oh wow, I am tasked for someone's childhood. So now being a mom, I'm like, oh wow, I'm tasked with someone's childhood. I'm tasked with someone's memories. I need this category again, because not having decorations and not being as festive isn't conducive. Or not to say that you can't have a holiday without the big lavish things, but I want to have holidays with the big lavish things. I want his holidays to be filled with beautiful lights, beautiful decorations, and obviously love. So I need this. I need this. It's okay if you don't need it, but in this household, we gonna be festive. We need the happy-go-lucky cheer. I'm already concocting what I'm going to do for Black History Month and Valentine's Day, because we need to mix them together, but I just don't know how. So really excited. Self-care, because obviously we need to take care of ourselves, and that's not an option. There's a difference from a financial journey where you're financial literate and you make good financial choices, and depriving yourself of what you desire to obtain that financial freedom. We only got one life to live, and we could go at any moment. I don't want to live a miserable, boring life because I wanted to pay Uncle Sam, Uncle Tom, Billy May, Sally Mae. I don't ever want to wake up one day and be like, is all my life a bill? No, I don't want to live that way. So I will have self-care. I will have holiday cheer and festivities. while also paying down these debts. So yeah, so this is what we have. Holiday. Household remix. Couples goes travels, thriving 30, holiday, self-care, birthday, and gift. I feel like there's something missing. These are what I'm working with now. I have a tendency to add throughout the year, and I have a tendency to take away. This is what I'm really thinking about this year and this current moment. So it's subject to change. The challenges that I would need a cash envelope for would be the scratch off of savings challenge. I'm actually really excited for this one because this was an idea I had in early 2020 and I just didn't know how to execute it. But now I was able to execute it, and now I have those on my shop and for myself to use. Then I'm going to do the $1 challenge and then the $5 challenge. If this is mainly like the $1 challenge, $5 is if $5 end up rolling over from the previous week and I just didn't use the money from eating out. But yeah, so this is what I'm doing now. Okay. Whoa. So this is what I have. This is what I have, my cash envelopes, my sinking funds, my savings challenges. Now I'm going to open my binder and just go through and take out what I need, what I don't, take out what I don't need, and keep what I need, if that makes sense. All right. And who knows, maybe I'll see some envelopes and be like, oh, actually I need to add that in. Okay, so these are the envelopes that I'm taking out. Shut down, doctors, SG Row. They're not gonna go in the trash because I will most likely pick these up again because these are very good envelopes to have. Doctors, I don't think I might because I had this because I had co-payments, and with the new insurance that I have, there's no co-payments really, so I may not need this. Who knows? Knock on wood. So let's just double check that I have what I need. So, ooh. Okay, so couples goals. We have that. Household, we have that. Vacation is travel, yep, we have that. Car remix, we have that. This is thriving, so I'm gonna say make because there's no labels. Holidays, we need to make this one. Wait. Okay, this is holidays. And then gifts and birthdays. This is my thriving. And then self-care. We do have this one. This is cute. This is cutie, but I might make a different one. So I'm just going to make. All right. So now I know I have to make Thriving 30. I have to make holidays. I have to make self-care, a new self-care. Now let's go on to my savings challenges, which is in this envelope. So I have $1, which I kind of want to make a new one because it's disformed. Make new. I'm pretty sure I have some leftovers, like ones that I saved for if there's an order for them. I have them on stock, on hand. I might just take one of those and just call it a day. Same thing with the $5 challenge. Saveopoly, I'm not doing currently. This is for my business. Yep. I need a scratch off. Make. So now that I know what I have, now that I know what I need, I'm a little more prepared. So I know I need to make Thriving 30s, holiday, self-care.